Hey everyone, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods and I am not a financial advisor. I don't work in the financial industry and I am not offering investment advice. Today I just got off the phone with one of my friends and she had gone this morning to see one of her financial advisors, and we talked briefly, as I often do with many of my friends, about finances, and she told me something that I hear way too often and it drives me crazy. She said, like one of her portfolios was down. Some of them had done well and one of them was down. And I'm thinking, what is she possibly investing in that is down right now? In 2017, the market has been just going up and up and up, and like all markets, like even globally. And so I decided I'm just gonna look up some of the returns that we've had. So I quickly went on, and the market's closed obviously now, but November 28th, if we look back exactly 1 year from today, the S&P 500 is up 18.47%. The Dow Jones is up 23.0% as of today. The TSX, the Toronto Stock Exchange, is up 6.58%, which means that if you're a dividend investor like myself and you are collecting dividends in the range of 6 to 9% consistently and annually, that this year, from November 28th of 2016 to November 28th of 2017, even on average in the TSX, I should have, if I'm diversified enough, I should have made 6.58% plus around a 7% return in dividends, minus whatever fees I'm going to pay. And even if I'm getting ripped off by my advisor and he's charging me 3% return, or 3% on the total transactional worth of my portfolio, we're still talking about an 11% return on the whole of the TSX. So with a diverse portfolio, 11% is the low end. If I had things that were in the Dow Jones and those stocks which have had growth and I'm collecting dividends, I would be in the upwards after fees at 27% return. So somewhere between 11 and 27% return is reasonable for this past year, somewhere in between that. And that's just super dirty math, but it drives me nuts when I talk to people that are saying their portfolio has a loss. If that's the case, I mean, these guys should be fired. What are they investing in? They are not looking out for your best interest. Now, and I said that to her, of course, and I wasn't as riled up as I am right now, but I said to her, how does that make you feel? And she said, well, I always feel good when I go to see them. And, in my opinion, that's what their job is. These financial advisors, their job is to make people feel good about themselves. I would prefer for people to feel good about making more money, not just because they're being told that their investments are doing well. Show me the money. That's it for today. Let's get rich together. Talk soon.